Good morning this Wednesday, the 16th of October. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street's green run came to an end on Tuesday with the major averages moving away from record territory as investors digest some key Q3 earnings results. The Dow Jones fell 0.75%, the S&P 500 lost 0.76%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day down 1.01%. UnitedHealth fell 8.1% after the company trimmed full-year earnings outlook, while Bank of America rallied 2% on better than expected results. Citi shares fell over 4% on Tuesday, even after the big bank beat Wall Street expectations for Q3, while LVMH shares fell nearly 7% to their lowest level since October 2022, after the luxury fashion house posted disappointing results. Over in Europe overnight, markets closed lower as investors responded to key earnings updates and monitored a sharp fall in the price of oil. The STOXX 600 fell 0.7%, Germany's DAX closed down at 0.11%, the French CAC lost 1.05%, and in the UK the FTSE 100 ended the day down 0.52%. Dutch semiconductor maker ASML tumbled over 15% on Tuesday after the company said in its earnings report that it expects net sales for 2025 to come in between €30 billion and €35 billion, which is at the lower half of the range it had previously provided. Across the Asia region on Tuesday, markets closed mostly lower as China's weak trade data weighed on investor sentiment in the region. China's CSI index lost 2.66% on Tuesday after the nation's September trade balance data showed exports rose 2.4% year on year and imports added just 0.3%, with both metrics sharply missing expectations. Hong Kong's Hang Seng lost 3.67% on Tuesday and Japan's Nikkei actually rose 0.77%. The local market extended this week's rally into Tuesday's session with a gain of 0.8% at the closing bell after hitting a fresh record high intraday, buoyed by the banks, with CBA rising 1.6%, Westpac adding 1.3%, ANZ rising 0.8%, and NAB gaining 1.3%. Tyro Payments tanked over 15% on Tuesday on news that the federal government of Australia is planning to crack down on credit card surcharges by 2026, with the government even saying it will go as far as banning this practice to give consumers and small businesses a fair go. This move would impact Tyro and other payment service providers that rely on such fees for earnings. Hub24 rose 4.3% on Tuesday after posting record quarterly net inflows of $4 billion announced in the company's latest trading update, while total funds under administration hit $113 billion in the latest quarter. On the commodities front this morning, oil has tumbled 4.68% to trade at $70.40 a barrel. Gold is up 0.55% at $2,663.9 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.63% at $107.11 a tonne. The Aussie dollar has weakened against the greenback overnight to buy 67.01 cents, 100.15 Japanese yen, 51.27 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. Ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX to open the day down 0.38%, and that's on the back of Wall Street's turbulence overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has downgraded the rating on the A2 Milk Company from a hold to a sell and have slightly reduced the 12-month price target on the company from $6.20 to $6.10 in light of a recent share price gain on expectations of a rebound in demand in China. The analyst sees A2M trading at 17.5 times FY25 expected EBITDA as not supported by any fundamental changes and sees better value elsewhere, especially given the rally puts A2M trading at a 51% premium to dairy FMCG plays. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Accent Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 38 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $2.44 to the range of $2.82 to $2.90 according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Wednesday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.